Hey guys, this is Natural Raw Essence. I am back. Can you believe it? I'm back. And I am here to do a featuring Carol Daughters product review. And this, I just got this in the mail yesterday. So if you was on my Instagram and natural_raw_essence, found out that I was going to do a product review. So right now I'm going to open this box and see what's in it. I'm not exactly sure. I think they said it was going to be a pre-poo and a shampoo or conditioner. Oh, this is tight. Okay, so this is the Goddessstrength Repairing Cocoon Mask, and this is for weak, damaged, prone hair. As you can see, and it's packaged really well. And then here is the Goddessstrength Ultra Shield Pre-Poo. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I'm going to take my hair down right now. So from this point, I'm just going to actually take down my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how it works, give you a product demo and show you how it works on my hair. And I shall be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just wanted to read the directions for the pre-poo. Now this conditioner is 5 minutes, so it just doesn't sit on the hair very long. I thought this was a deep conditioner, but it's not. So this sits on your hair for 5 minutes, and I'll do this after I pre-poo and shampoo. And the directions for the pre-poo is a goddess embodies ultimate strength, so should your hair, wait, let me read that again. A goddess embodies ultimate strength, so should your hair. Should a product your parts and coils before the cleansing process begins. Our rich, creamy pre-poo treatment blends with castor oil, ginger, and black cumin seed, creates a protective layer around the hair to help detangle and reinforce, strengthen before wettening your hair to help minimize breakage and wash day. So I'm going to be using this, and then I'll massage this in. I'll give you the demo, and then I'll come back with the deep treatment. And this is only for 5 minutes, and then I'll just show you how that works in my hair and then give you a complete review over both products. So stay tuned. My comb is gliding straight through my hair as soon as I put this Pre-Poo in it. I didn't even use the conditioner yet. So this product is A1 top choice for my hair. It is working like a charm. Look how easy this comb out is. And on this end, I haven't even touched the comb on this end, so just watch how smooth it just glides through my hair. I don't have any spider knots. I don't have any type of snags. It's coming straight through. And even when I put it on, it directly absorbed right into my hair. It was so soft as soon as I was applying the product. It's tangle free. So I can't wait to even use this conditioner. I can't even imagine how this is gonna feel after I put this in. So I just wanted to pop back on and show you the comb out process from the Pre-Poo. And I will be back in a few. This is the hair from my comb out from the Pre-Poo. Mind you, I have not did a wash day in about 2.5 weeks, and that's the only hair that came out of the Pre-Poo. So I'm about to open this right now, and this, if I have not read it, I'm not sure if I did read the ingredients. It is castor oil, ginger, and wheat protein. It's thick, but it has a little bit of a gooey texture. So it's like, it looks like a little bit like a gel, but it's actually a conditioner. And it's thick, so I love anything that's thick on my hair. So I'm just gonna apply. And this is a hair mask, it's not a deep conditioner, so it's a hair mask, and it's going on real smooth. I'm applying it from the root to the end. And I make sure I get my ends because that's the oldest part of your hair, and you want to make sure that you take care of the ends. And this like very easy to detangle, separates well. And I love the fact that it has castor oil. That's my favorite #1 oil because it does help with, if you have thin hair, it helps thicken your hair. Castor oil is like the best thing besides neem oil. Neem oil helps your hair grow, but castor oil helps with thickness. And so you want to make sure you get in between those strands, in between. You don't want to leave anything out, and then just make sure you just retwist. The only reason why I'm retwisting is so it can be out of the way so I can get to the other parts of my hair. If you have short hair, you don't need to retwist. I'll comb it out once I take out the twist, and then I'll rinse this out. It's concentrated, so you don't have to use a lot of product. You just put about less than 1/4 size for each section, and just make sure you run it through really good. And it comes through real easy. Oh my God, this is like heaven for real. Heaven sent. It feels so nice and smooth on your hair, and it's so soft. But it says only 5 minutes, and I want to follow the instructions. So I'm not going to leave it on. Normally I would leave it on. But since it's not really a conditioner, you want to make sure you follow the instructions. So I'm going to take this out and start combing it through. Not bad, not bad. You know me, I always be checking every product. I always check to see how much hair is coming out. It feels nice. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this out, and then I'll give you a final review of the whole process. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to do a review on the Carolsdaughter Goddessstrength Ultra Shield Pre-Poo shampoo. So what I found with this, as soon as I put it in, it is a creamy formula. It absorbed so easily into my hair. It just soaked it up. My hair just was like a sponge, and it felt like butter, just like melted butter. It was just gliding into my hair. It felt so good. And I actually didn't even want to rinse it out. It was feeling so good, very moisturizing. And I left this on and actually massaged it through like you saw in the video. So I massaged it through and then rinsed it out. It rinsed out really easily and my hair felt super soft, very moisturized after I used it. This I love. This also has, if I did not say, it has no parabens, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors. It's made with castor oil, ginger, and black cumin seed. So top ingredients for me is castor oil because the castor oil thickens my hair, and I love putting in the castor oil is like one of my top go-tos for oils, and also neem oil is one of my other ones because it helps my hair grow. And what else can I say about this product? I use other Pre-Poos. I only have one other staple, but this would definitely be in competition with my other one because they're both, to me, parallel. Because I only use one Pre-Poo. So I just want to let you know, if you have never tried this is a new product by them, by Carol's Daughter, Goddessstrength. I would recommend you trying this out. It's not going to steer you wrong. And on the second one is Carol's Daughter, Goddessstrength, Repairing Cocoon Mask for weak, break-prone hair. But this is, it's made with castor oil, ginger, and wheat protein. Now, like I showed you, it has a creamy texture. It has like a gooey consistency, like a hair gel. I'm not sure if you can actually see that. The lighting is not that great there. So it has a creamy consistency and it's thick, and I love my hair 4C, so I love thick conditioners. And this is more like a treatment, not a deep conditioner. So you only leave this on for 5 minutes. And I would recommend you following the instructions because I read other reviews and some people are saying that it's like made their hair dry. I know firsthand the reason why their hair is dry is because they didn't follow instructions. You need to only leave this on for a maximum of 5 minutes, just like they said, for else it will make your hair dry, possibly. I didn't do that. I followed the instructions and my hair was soft. It was manageable. It actually combed through easy. I didn't have any hair loss or any shedding. It was tangle-free. There was no spider knots in there. It felt stronger, but you have to be careful with this product because I can see this is a product that I would only use once a month because it's like a treatment. It's not a deep conditioner that you would use on a weekly basis. So that's my opinion. And for my 4C hair type. So I don't know, you can try it and see how it works for you. I don't know. But as far as I'm concerned, I would only use this like once a month to strengthen my hair. And it has a nice scent. It's like a light, it's hard to describe the scent. It's like a light scent, but it's like a perfumey, but it's not overbearing and it's not a strong scent that lingers in your hair. Like once you wash your hair, you're not going to smell the scent after you rinse it out. So, but when you open it, it kind of does fragrance the room. It has no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no artificial colors. So that's basically it for the first time ever featuring these products, Carol's Daughter. Can you believe it? I have never tried Carol's Daughter, and I remember when they first came out years ago, decades ago, but I have never tried their products, so I am honored to do a product review for them. Yeah, these are actually going to be part of my staples on my shelf. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care.